The DeLonghi Magnifica Start Espresso machine offers a user-friendly experience, making it ideal for both beginners and coffee enthusiasts. With its intuitive one-touch display, you can easily brew espresso, coffee, and Americano at home. The built-in conical burr grinder ensures a fresh and aromatic espresso by delivering a precise grind and dose every time. Its manual milk frother allows you to create silky-smooth foam for lattes and cappuccinos using both milk and milk alternatives. Cleaning is hassle-free with its detachable parts that are safe for the dishwasher. The compact design integrates seamlessly into any kitchen, providing a convenient way to enjoy your favorite espresso drinks.